What are you doing? You rolling? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do, Coco? This is the first day of spring, folks. Ain't it lovely up here in West Kilbride Hills? Hey, Coco? Yeehaw! What's it like, folks? How's it doing in there? You got the fire on, folks? Hey, hey, hey! Bring on summer! Woohoo! Hey, let's see here, folkies. Woohoo! Sure is some morning for walking the dogs. All the pure spring flowers for supper. What about the little lambs? Poor little spring lambs are going to freeze their little paws off. Poor things. Little tiny critters. Coco's as busy as ever. God, I can't see the village. The village is gone. It's a blizzard. It's a little bit. There's some here. Some big mamas and their little babies. Here, Coco. Where are you? Here. 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 Good girl. You gotta watch her and these little lambs. Little bitch. She don't care about little lambs. Hi, little lambs. Hey, mama. Hiya, kids. You alright? 22. These little critters. 70. Where's the other 70? Coco, you stay here. Hey, you get back up here, Coco. Where's your other 70?